welcome back to that Vegas SRT4. Oh man, I've been waiting on this for a little bit. It was supposed to be delivered the 6th. Ordered it around December 22nd, right before Christmas or whatnot. But yes, if you've been watching my video, it is the fuel pump I've been waiting on to put the big turbo in. Finally, it is here. Yeah, so this is the unboxing, but I had to already unbox it because the box came kind of rugged. So I had to unbox it first before I signed, the name, because once you sign on your name, it's yours. So you got to make sure that when parts come to your house that you open it up, make sure everything's cool, make sure that nothing's broken, because once your signature, like I said, it's yours. So it's going to be hard to say that it wasn't you doing it. But, the car companies seem cool. I never had that happen. So I think ultimately these car companies will probably understand, but I don't want to take that chance. I'm going to show you the box that it came in so you understand what I was working with. All right, check that out. So we got a hole right here. See? So, I mean, it's kind of raggedy. So I don't know, it's pretty bad. So there's, all these creases on it. So I had to make sure that I, unboxed it. So here we go. So shout out to Daryl Cox. I know you guys have said they take a long time. They did. But you know what? This guy kept in contact with me. He kept emailing me, letting me know that, he had a whole bunch of orders on these, I guess. And so he had to make it from scratch. Whatever the reason is, it doesn't even matter. The point is that he kept in contact with me. So I appreciate that. Shout out to Daryl. So here we go. Here it is. The big DCR pump. Look at that. So it's a dual pump, right? These are getting exchanged. If you watch my other videos, these are getting exchanged for the 525 112 PSI pumps for Modern Performance. So these pumps are coming out. I forgot exactly what these pumps are, but if you want to look this up, this is the pumps that actually came with it. But I swapped that out. I'm going to swap that out for the 525s, like I said. So that is the pump. It's got the socks on the bottom, all that stuff. So there it is again. Beautiful. They say it goes up to 1,200 horsepower. I'm not trying to get 1,200 horsepower. I'm going to hang around 6. So this should be plenty. This should be plenty of fuel for what I'm doing. Also, if you do get the pump, make sure you get the fuse kit. So they got that. So I think this was like $150 or something like that. So that's a fuse for the pump. And I think the pump was actually $700. I think not bad, And now, this is what's cool, so like I said, you guys said that, Daryl Cox is pretty late and blah, blah, blah. And yes, it was supposed to be delivered the 6th. But because he emailed me, he said, sorry for the wait. And he sent me some extra goodies just because I waited. So that's awesome. Check this out. So in this bag, got a hat. Look at that. Daryl Cox right here. Let's see how this actually looks. It's the first time putting it on. Oh, yeah. What's up? Yo. Yeah, that looks nice. So we got the Daryl Cox right there, hat. And now this is awesome. So I do have bushings, but for Modern Performance, but check these out. Can you guys see that? So it's DCR shifter bushings, new design 2020, hard iodized bushings with high temp nylon washers. So I don't know how much these go for, but he just threw that in there. That's what I'm talking about. See? So that's, you guys say whatever you want to say, but that's pretty cool. I mean, yeah, I would have liked it, my stuff exactly went on time, but if it's not, this is a good gesture. So again, shout out to you guys, man. Seriously, it means a lot. And what else? Oh, we got this is not extra stuff. This was the sending unit, just in case you guys didn't see that. So it's an E85 sending unit. My car is already tuned for E85. I got the 1200cc injectors, so that's going. If that's not enough, then I'll just go up. But I think that should be enough for 600. And if I don't make, no, I am. 600 is good. Yeah, okay, we'll just keep it like that. And I think, oh yeah, so here's a receipt actually. The wiring kit was $134. So that's with shipping and everything. And then obviously a thank you from Daryl Cox, whatever. So that's awesome. So there we go. The next video, I'm telling you, the next video, you're going to see me packing up the car, heading out to my homie Jonathan's house. He's the one that's going to be throwing in the big turbo. He's going to be throwing in the pump. He's going to be throwing in the fuel injectors. He's going to be throwing in the fuel regulator with the gauge. I mean, the whole 9 yards, right? So that's going to be the next video, unless there's a takeover happened, then, you know, then I'm going to have to shoot that. But the next video on the SRT should be him installing the all the parts. And then after that, we're going to take it down to MI, Tootin' Mario, what up? And Dre, what's going on? If you don't know Dre, check his channel out. It's SRT4 Dre or SRT Dre. He's out here in Vegas. You know, he's got the one with the 700 horsepower gray SRT. So he be running them, you know. So I'm coming. Not quite 7, but I'm still coming. So that's going to be the next video after I drop the parts off. It's going to be tuning. So that's going to be another video. And then you know what happens after you tune. You know what happens. You got to test it. So we got some rolls. Everybody's been out there. I've been out of rolls for about, I ain't even gonna say, I'm embarrassed, but yeah, I'm not even gonna whatever. So anyway, I got some homies that do rolls. So we gonna, as soon as it gets tuned or whatever, for the first time, I'm gonna be heading out there to the rolls and getting this done. So I can't wait, because this is what it's all for, right? This was all for the fun of it. You know, so check back at me. Thank you again. You know, if you want to like, subscribe, cool. If not, I appreciate you watching. I'm just doing this as a video vlog. So I appreciate you guys and everybody that support me and supporting me for doing this. And just come along for the ride, because I guarantee you it's going to be nice. I'm going to show you guys exactly how we do it in Vegas. And pretty soon, my fault, I do want to enter in one of those shootouts, those front wheel drive shootouts. So that's coming. I never, you know, so I had a Honda before when I did that a long time ago. But this is going to be the first SRT4 with me in it in the front wheel drive shootout. And you know, I'm gonna try to take those Hondas out. Yeah, I know. My first car was a Honda, but I'm gonna try to take all y'all out. Hey, why do you think I'm spending all this money? So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Life dangerous no matter how you play, regardless. So I got a fully built, gutted, no carpet, keeping my eyes on the finish line. The target, flying by the drugs, bitches, ice, and the harlots. We out here modified racing when it's the darkest, doing donuts in the parking lot of supermarkets. Twin turbo super, two-stepping is the